एमपीटीतल्या कोळशाचे एक्सपान्शनाचेर बीजेपीच्या एकल्याय फुडाऱ्याचे ना तोंड उगडटा ना कसली हालचाल. स्पेशल स्टेटसाचे खंयचे कडेन कांय ना.
They should give it in writing. MPT and the Central Shipping Minister must give it in writing and declare this decision that we are against expansion of coal handling at MPT because we are in sync with the wishes and aspirations of the people of Goa. Chief Minister speaking is therefore, as I pointed out to you, meaningless because he is in a habit of U-turns. And these MPs, all belonging to the BJP, ought to have prevailed on the Union Shipping Minister and the MPT and force them to declare against handling expansion in terms of the wishes of the people of Goa and declare it in writing, which these three MPs have not done. These two Lok Sabha MPs of the BJP, in the run-up to their parliamentary elections in 2014, had presented a promise to the people of Goa also of guaranteeing special status. Now, based on this promise, which was contained in the BJP's Lok Sabha manifesto on page number 3, people returned these two MPs to Parliament. BJP consequently also emerged as a single largest party, attaining majority on itself in the Lok Sabha. And after that, not a word on special status.
सागरमाला प्रोजेक्ट पळयल्यार खंय वास्को फुडें मोठ्या प्रमाणात कोळसो येवपाचो आसा.
If you see this report, the optimistic scenario projections of coking coal is pegged at 21 million metric tons per annum up to 2025. And it is further pegged on an optimistic scenario projection of 40 million metric ton per annum up to 2035 year. Now therefore, this report is authored at the behest, at the instance and for the Union Ministry of Shipping, Government of India. This report is not declared to be discarded.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकळकार.